Hi, YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're doing another unboxing. I've unboxed the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and now we are going to do the SE. People talk about the SE, they talk about it as a budget phone that people can get. It's part of the new crew of iPhone phones that they get. So we're going to unbox this one and see what's in there. It says on here that there's a charger in here, but the box looks thin like the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're gonna open it up, check it out, and see exactly what's in the box. So I'm excited because this one, like the iPhone 12, like the 12 Pro Max, it doesn't have the Magsafe, but it will charge on the Magsafe charger, and it uses any type of Q charger to charge wirelessly. But it also, in the box, it says there's a lightning charger in here. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what's in here. So from first appearances, it looks just like an iPhone 8, iPhone 7. You see one here. That's what it looks like. But glass back like the iPhone 8, and it has a few other changes. It has the same chip as the iPhone 11, so it's super fast, has upgraded camera, and it's supposed to be much, much faster with everything. So on the box, it says lightning cable, power adapter, and headphones. So far, I only see the lightning cable. Oh, never mind. It says power adapter, and headphones sold separately. See, now, the interesting part about this is if you don't if you're upgrading from an iPhone 11 to an iPhone 12, you will probably have this lightning plug that has a USB-C to lightning. If you don't have that phone, you are sadly gonna have to pay for the brick, that power brick that will accept the USB-C. Now, there's other plugs out there that will accept USB-C that you can use for your lightning cable, but it's kind of unfortunate. So here's what you get. It's actually a pretty phone. It looks pretty nice. It looks like the iPhone 8. It's small. If you want a small phone, it's great because this is like $399, and it's, you know, easy to handle, but it's pretty fast. Like I said, the camera's nice. It only has the one camera, which is, you know, adequate, but it's not great. And so, you know, but the one camera is supposed to be upgraded and nice, and you can do portrait mode from looking at yourself, which is nice, which the other phones can't do. So that is some of the nice parts about this phone. The thing that I would say with Apple, I think the next iteration, and what I'm seeing on the internet and some of the other blogs about this and the vlogs, is that they're gonna get rid of this. So even if they have an SE next time around, this is probably not gonna have a lightning connector. It'll give them more space, yada, yada, yada. But really, they're just trying to move everybody to the lightning, I think the lightning standard, or excuse me, the MagSafe standard. This is not MagSafe, like I said, but it will charge on a MagSafe charger. It is a little bit slower because the MagSafe charger obviously is designed for phones that can use MagSafe. But any wireless Q charger, you can put this on top of, which is kind of cool. And you can charge it. So for me, I have these chargers around my house, so this will work out pretty well. But I misread my box, and I thought I was gonna get a charger in there. And I was like, how is that gonna work? Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please hit the like button if you like this video. I'm trying to do more unboxings. Here's your iPhone SE, which means the brand new 8. And please hit the notification bell to see my next videos when they come out. Please subscribe to my channel, and leave in the comments if there's other things that I should be reviewing. I'm trying to get back into the reviewing of new equipment and new products. It's just that over the holidays, I just took a break from doing so many things. I'm doing hot sauce reviews too again. But anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe and like below. iPhone SE. Peace.
Subscribe right below.